Hello, and welcome to the quick and easy tutorial of how to find articles on Ancient History Encyclopedia's website. From the main page, you can search for articles in three ways. First, in the search bar at the top of each page, enter a keyword, subject, or name, then press Enter. On the search results page, there are filters running down the left side and along the top of the page. These filters can broaden or limit your results, allowing you to find what you need a little faster. To access articles a second way, return to the top of the page, hover your cursor over the Encyclopedia drop-down menu, and select the first link, Index. In the Index page, historical subjects and names are listed alphabetically. You can browse through each letter's selection by using the index's alphabet links. You can also use the search bar at the top of the page by entering a keyword, subject, or name into the search field. Additional filters can be found on the left side of the page. Returning to the home page, the third way to find articles is to scroll down to Ancient History Encyclopedia's frequently updated featured definition and featured image. Scrolling a bit further, you'll find a selection of our most recent articles, images, worksheets, and more. Ancient History Encyclopedia is a nonprofit organization that relies on the support of history lovers like you. Individual memberships and institutional plans are available through our website. All donations to help us in our mission are sincerely appreciated. Thank you very much for using Ancient History Encyclopedia, and happy learning.